Good morning, everyone. This Sunday morning, we are going to elaborate 3Ds given to us by Jeffrey Sachs. These 3Ds are also introduced by GA Institute, and those 3Ds development, defense, diplomacy. These 3Ds are given by Sachs, Dr. Jeffrey Sachs. GS 3Ds are discipline, dedication, and diligence. These 3Ds are from GA Institute, and these 3Ds are given to us by Jeffrey Sachs. National security depends upon these 3Ds. If the nation is going to lose or forfeit or cannot control these 3Ds, then the nation cannot survive at all. Nation can become colonized, nation can become hegemonized, nation can become slave and second fiddle to some other mighty nations like China or US, Russia, these kind of nations. Every teeny weeny nation, any mighty or mighty nation, every micro or macro nation must think about these three things very, very gingerly, very carefully, very minutely, very sincerely. Because national security depends upon these 3Ds. D number one is defense. Every nation should be ready to defend its borders. Border must not be invaded by any forces. The nation must not be penetrated by any hostile forces. Nation must not be tinkered, or like what is going on between India and China nowadays. Chinese soldiers have been penetrating into our side of the border. They enter in our side of the border and keep their border expanding very gradually and very surely. Indian government has been raising decibel all the time, but China does not give any response. As usual, China doesn't give any kind of response to anyone, whether it's America, Russia, or India. This must not happen. As we speak, we know what is going on in the southern border of America. Caravans of about 200 plus thousand people have been penetrating into the American border from the Texas and Arizona and that southern borders. America is totally important, totally helpless, totally hopeless, totally redundant to do anything about that. Totally redundant. There's nothing America can do because those are 2 lakh plus people trying to enter into American border totally illegally, illegitimately, without any kind of documents, without any kind of consent from American Immigration Department. This must not happen. Once you lose the defense of your nation, means you lose the control of your border, all kinds of enemies are definitely going to insert. They are going to enter in, they are going to penetrate, they are going to invade your borders, and they are going to create all kinds of trouble for your nation, create all kinds of riots, all kinds of insurrection, all kinds of problem for the nation, and national security, national sovereignty can also be jeopardized. Point number 2 is diplomacy. Diplomacy means, for example, Narendra Modi should act, behave, conduct his business such a nice way, such a friendly way, with fraternity, with peace, with hobnobby, without any kind of tension, without any kind of arrogance, like Trump used to conduct his life. No arrogance in the leader. If the leaders are arrogant, they are actually inviting trouble for the nation in the form of confrontation. That is what Albert Einstein says. Wars don't actually happen in the world, but first the wars happen in the minds of the leaders. Arrogant leaders, hawkish leaders, hate-monger leaders, belligerent leaders, bellicose leaders. These kind of leaders who hate everybody. They will hate everybody and everybody going to hate them back. Reciprocal reaction will be created. Reciprocal relation will be created. Hate will beget hatred. And love and affection will beget love and affection. They actually express their disdain and they get disdain in return. If you hate someone, someone is definitely going to hate your whole family. If you love someone, someone is going to definitely love and respect your family. So this kind of diplomacy is definitely non grata, absolutely non-acceptable in these days and age, according to Jeffrey Sachs, Dr. Jeffrey Sachs. Number 3, development. Economic and educational development, scientific development, even human development index, and all kinds of development, sanitation development, infrastructure development, business development, small-scale development, mid-scale development, large-scale business development, educational development, scientific development, scientological development, research and development, research and development, all kinds of development must be actually carried out by the government pronto so that the national catnip can be multi-pronged. Government must not actually pick up one thing at a time or one mission at a time, that we are working on education and after that we are going to work on infrastructure and after that we are going to work on sanitation. After that we are going to work on economy and the scientific. No. Government does not have that much time. Indian government has 5 years. Within 5 years they cannot actually handle every single thing if they adopt unipronged approach. One thing at a time is not welcome, not grata at all. But multi-pronged approach. Government must actually appoint the teams of workers. One team must be working on education, other team working on the Scientology, third team working on education, third one on economy, fourth one on infrastructure, fifth one on Scientology, research and development. Every single team is appointed with one particular mission, one particular goal, one particular objective. So within 5 years, all our problems can be resolved, all our mission can be achieved, every single thing is hunky-dory. That is what Dr. Sachs has been saying, that government means, first and foremost responsibility of the government is to defend its border, that America cannot, nowadays, European cannot. India actually cannot defend its border from China. India has lost 50% Kashmir. India has lost 40% Kashmir to Pakistan, 10% Kashmir to China. India has lost Aksai China to China. India has lost half of the Siachen Glacier to Pakistan. India has lost 65,000 square feet of, or square meter, I should say, of Arunachal Pradesh to China. Coco Island is in limbo, and many other small enclaves are also in limbo with China, Pakistan, Bangladesh. Bangladesh is also claiming some of the territories of India, and India cannot defend. America cannot defend. China can defend. Russia can defend. Europe cannot defend. So these are the most important 3Ds introduced by Dr. Jeffrey Sachs. Thank you very much for listening. See you again next time. Until then, God bless everyone on this planet. Be careful about new variant of COVID. New variant is terribly detrimental. Keep wearing mask and take the jab of vaccine. Don't be COVIDiots. COVIDiots are those who are not afraid of COVID and die. God forbid everyone on this planet. Amen.